I have this incredible sickness that I keep making new alarms for whatever reason. I don't know why. Does anyone else have this problem where you keep making new alarms instead of editing alarms? Well, here are my alarms. 12 a.m., 12:20 a.m., 12:45 a.m., 1:25 a.m., 2:03 a.m., 2:37 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 4:15 a.m., 4:20 a.m., 5 a.m., 5:25 a.m., 5:30 a.m., 5:45 a.m., 5:50 a.m., 5:55 a.m., 6 a.m., 6:20 a.m., 6:30 a.m. I have another there's two 6:30 a.m.s. 6:30, 6:30 a.m., 7 a.m., 7:30 a.m., 7:40 a.m., 7:50 a.m., 8 a.m., 8:20 a.m., 8:30 a.m., 8:40 a.m., 8:50 a.m., 9 a.m., 9:06 a.m., 9:15 a.m., 9:30 a.m., 9:50 a.m., 10:04 a.m., 10:10 a.m., 10:30 a.m., 10:39 a.m., 10:50 a.m., 11 a.m., 11:20 a.m., 11:30 a.m., 11:40 a.m., 11:45 a.m., 11:50 a.m., 12 a.m., 12 p.m., 12:20 p.m., 12:30 p.m., 12:37 p.m., 1:04 p.m., 1:20 p.m., 1:30 p.m., 1:35 p.m., 1:40 p.m., 1:50 p.m., 1:55 p.m., 2 p.m., 2:18 p.m., 2:30 p.m., 2:38 p.m., 2:45 p.m., 2:50 p.m., 3:09 p.m., 3:30 p.m., 3:54 p.m., 4 p.m., 4:20 p.m., 4:30 p.m., 4:50 p.m., 5 p.m., 5:15 p.m., 5:30 p.m., 5:40 p.m., 5:50 p.m., 5:57 p.m., 6 p.m., 6:09 p.m., 6:30 p.m., 7 p.m., 7:15 p.m., 7:25 p.m., another 7:25 p.m. alarm, 7:30 p.m., 7:50 p.m., 7:58 p.m., 8:10 p.m., 8:25 p.m., 8:35 p.m., 8:55 p.m., 9 p.m., 9:10 p.m., 9:15 p.m., 9:45 p.m., 10 p.m., 10:55 p.m., 11 p.m., 11:35 p.m., and 11:42 p.m. Hey, people like you. You don't like my alarms? It's how I make sure that I wake up at time. If I don't have every single one of these alarms, how do I make sure I wake up at an unreasonable time?